Welcome. It's been a while since I did a hair tutorial. I will be using all Bask Lather items. As you saw in that picture, that is the shampoo and the conditioner. And this is how my fro looks post cleaning and moisturizing with the shampoo and conditioner. Okay, full of volume, full of life, just thick. So, the item that I will be using next is the hydrating mist. I love that so much. I use it for a lot of my styles. Excuse my tea time. I gotta have my tea. And but I love using that hydrating mist. And here I sped up the video just to, get things going. But I love to use it to finger detangle. It helps keep my strands moisturized. Yes. And then I'm going to go in with the hair elixir. This is a sealant to keep the moisture on my strands. And it dries really well too. Like when those two items mix and my hair is in the drying process, my twist out comes out really nice. So wide tooth comb to detangle. I do not play when it comes to those fairy knots. But as you can see, moving forward, I get a detangling brush, and then that's when I get the twist process started for my twist out. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I put it in a poof, just to avoid getting my hair tangled in my jacket and my scarf and, all the things that we have to go through in New York to stay warm. So, yeah, okay, she's almost done. And last but not least, the scalp stimulator. This is my favorite oil to use to keep my scalp moisturized. It has a minty feel and scent. It has a good amount of other oils, all natural products. I want to highlight that because I have been really interested in natural, high quality products. Rub it all on my scalp at the end of this session. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Get it all up in there. All right. And that's the video, you guys. I tried to keep it very simple and straightforward. I know our attention spans are not what it used to be. So I hope this gives you insight on how to handle your own hair strands, your hair type for B4C. Thanks for watching. Mwah.